Banking exams test two types of mixture problems. Most candidates only know one. Type 1. Mixing two concentrations. Type 2. Removing and replacing with water. Methods are different. Mix 60% milk with pure water to get 40% milk. What is the ratio? A. 2:1. B. 2:3. C. 3.2. D. 1:2. Trap applying alligation as 60 minus 40 over 60 minus 0, which gives 1.3, off by one step. Alligation 60 minus 40 over 40 minus 0 at 20 over 40, 1.2. Mix 1 part milk with 2 parts water. Now a replacement question. Different formula entirely. This is where most candidates freeze. 40 liters of 80% milk. Remove 8 liters, add 8 liters water. Repeat once. Final percent milk. A. 51.2%. B. 56%. C. 60%. D. 64%. After step 1, 80 times 32 over 40, 64%. After step 2, 64 times 32 over 40, 51.2%. Alligation is for mixing known concentrations. Replacement uses the successive dilution formula each step. Rule: successive percent equals initial percent times 1 minus R over V raised to N, where R is removed, V is volume, N is steps. Identify the type in 5 seconds. Mixing equals alligation, removing and replacing equals successive formula. In IBPS PO 2023 and 2024, mixture questions appeared in 2 of 5 quantitative aptitude sections.